Hey.
Hey.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know there was a little puppy that lived here.
So, can I come in or? So, do you have a treat I can give him or something?
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, thanks. Who's a good boy that's going to get a treat? You are,
Wow. You really like dogs.
They're alright. So, do you want to scoot a little closer or something?
Sure. Oh my goodness, Oliver, are you playing with your toys? That's your fluffy little toy?
Well, this was fun. I'll text you.
Okay. And I'll be seeing you later, my fluffy bunny honey wunny.
See ya.